Good morning, everyone. Today, we will talk about what is storyboarding. But before that, I have here a short video giving you a hint on how to create a storyboard. So now that you watch the video, let me ask you a question before we dive into our lesson. So based on the video you just watched, how do you think the creators plan each scene before filming or animating it? Okay, very good. So those ideas you just shared, the planning scenes, organizing events, combining drawings with notes, that's exactly what a storyboard does. And then we will going to discuss what a storyboard. So what exactly is a storyboard? I have here a short video discussing what is this storyboard.
Hi guys, it's Gary here from ACME, and today we're going to talk about storyboards. So, what is a storyboard? Well, as you asked, a storyboard is a guide on how a film is going to look, and a way of visualising all the shots in a film before you actually go out and capture the footage. And they're kind of like a comic book, but they're not. Panels in storyboards are usually rectangular, and that's because they represent the camera frame. Storyboard is usually created using a shot list. And the shot list breaks down all the information found in the script into a list of, gets the camera shots.
So in simple term, storyboard is a visual outline of a story, like a comic strip version of a video, animation, or a presentation. So now, I review the steps on how to make a storyboard. So this video explaining the different steps on how to create your own storyboard.
So today I'll be teaching you how to make a storyboard for film in video. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a template. A storyboard template has a series of squares which you use to map out the scene or video you're trying to film. You can draw these squares by hand or you can design a template on your computer. How many squares you decide to use is totally up to you. Make sure you leave enough space below each square for adding some written detail. I will be linking a free printable template in the description box below this video so you can use it to make your.
So those steps will help you to create your own storyboard. So now, since we are done in our discussion, let's have an activity first to test your knowledge. So this activity is called Scrambled Story Panels. So your task, you must arrange the 6 scrambled storyboard panels from the first to last and match the correct dialogue for each frame to complete the story. So the instructions, you will work in a small group to complete the activity. Your task is to arrange the 6 scrambled storyboard panels from the first scene up to the last scene to form a complete story. After arranging the panels, you must also match the correct dialogue for each frame so that the story makes sense. So here are the dialogues and the capture of each scene. So I think you are done with your outputs. I want you to pass it in front, and then we will going to proceed in our assessment. So your assessment, you will create your own 6-panel storyboard, and Instructions and submission portal is on Google Classroom. So here's the code. You will enter the code in the Google Classroom to join the class and submit your work. So that's all for our meeting today, and thank you.